everybody, welcome back to the Wisconsin Greg Show. It's Friday morning, about 9:35 a.m. and we're getting our snow, a big snowstorm. We got a few inches the other day, but looks like it's going to be a lot worse, this one. I didn't think we were supposed to have this much this early in the morning already. I already went down to my pole barn and just plugged in the tractor, so it's ready to go. I'll go down there in a few more hours and plow out the driveways just to keep up. Otherwise, I ain't going to have no place to park my vehicles and stuff. My farm tractor is about almost 2 miles down the road from my house. And I do the pole barn, and I do my brother's house, and I do my house. So I got to try to keep them open. Otherwise, if I don't keep them open, I won't have no place to park my vehicle out to park on the road down there. And then that gets kind of dangerous. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a little quick peek of what it's like here. I'll switch this camera around and show you on my way home from the pole barn. I should have done it on the way there because none of the roads were plowed on the way there. On the way back, half the road was plowed on the way home. It's kind of hard. You can't really see it in the video, but the half that I didn't have to drive on was plowed. But anyways, just wanted to give you a little quick peek of what it's like around here. It's going to be a nasty one. It's not supposed to end till Saturday about noon, so we got almost 3/4 a day, or I don't know how many hours is that, about almost 24 hours roughly to go yet of the storm, and it's just getting started. So anyways, just wanted to show you how it is. And there's no talking on the way back from my pole barn, and because I was concentrated on driving, so I'll just put a little music in there. So thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. Bye now.